Every empire begins the same way. Not with applause, not with headlines, but with something invisible. Beneath the surface, growth is already happening. The problem is, most people never wait long enough to see it. In the modern economy, speed is worshipped. Fast money, fast growth, fast success. But the evidence tells a different story. The hidden principle behind long-term success is structural patience. Look at any enduring company. Their early years show slow progress. So here's the real strategy. Choose one small financial habit today. Every fortune leaves clues. Follow the patterns, decode the signals, and remember, the strongest empires are built where no one is looking. Join the investigation. Subscribe to our channel to uncover the next hidden financial truth. Turn on notifications bell and let's keep decoding the blueprint together. Join me on the next case. We decode, analyze, reveal. Case closed. Until next time.